So a lot of people have said that they have difficulty making turns, and I completely understand. Turning is the most difficult thing in driving, and then comes lane changing. We'll cover that also, but I want to show you how you can make smoother turns. A lot of people go wrong with turns when there are no stop signs. Okay, so for example, this one here, there's no stop sign. So what I'll do is I will slow down closer to the stop sign, take my foot off, and then steer and accelerate gently. What people do wrong there is that either they don't brake, or they brake and come to a full stop and then take their foot off. No, you want to slow down, and when it feels like the car is going to come to a full stop, you take it off, right? Take the foot off the brake. It's like, you know, you're tricking the car. Hey, you know what? Hey, all right, we're gonna stop, we're gonna stop, we're gonna stop. And then you suddenly take your foot out. I tricked you. Trick or treat, trick or treat. It was just Halloween. It was Halloween just a few days ago. So, you know, it reminds me of trick or treat. So, yeah, that's exactly what you want to do. You want to press it gently, right? So you press like this, and then you suddenly take your foot off, right? So what happens is that there's still acceleration, right? When you take your foot off in an automatic car, the car will not come to a full stop. It will still keep rolling, and that is exactly what you want. You want some speed when you're turning to help you go through the turn, right? Because see, the difference in turning at an intersection where there's no stop sign and where there is a stop sign, for example, this one, okay? This stop sign here, okay, I'm coming to a full stop. So you are accelerating because you want the car to move. So, you know, the car gets the acceleration that it needs to complete the turn. So I accelerated very gently. Now, pressing the pedal, how hard do you have to press? Imagine that you're pressing a balloon full of water. If you press too hard, it can burst. Okay, press very gently, okay? I hope that analogy helps. I'm going to show that again. If you brake too early, like here, you will annoy the people behind you, okay? So, and you don't want to come to a full stop. So you want to keep going, right? So closer to, for a left turn, when the bend begins, I'll brake just a little bit, accelerate very gently, and go, and go. If you're struggling with the turns, right, and this video has not helped you still, I want you to tell me what exactly is the thing that you're struggling with so that I can help you. Hey, I've taught a lot of students, and all students struggle with turns in their first few lessons. So you're not alone, Tell me exactly, right? If you don't know the problem, you can't solve it. Most people don't know what the problem is. So I want you to articulate that problem in the comment section below. Tell me what exactly it is that you're struggling with so that I can help you. I'll make a video on that. It's a promise from me. So go ahead and try these techniques and let me know how it works. And if it doesn't, come back and tell me why it did not work or what is it that you need help with. I'll see you with another turning video.